Hey everyone, and welcome to today's unboxing video. My name is Thomas and I'm from D1 Store, Australia's first and only DJI authorized retail store. Today we're having our first look at the latest edition in the DJI Mini series. Of course, we are talking about the Mini 4 Pro. Let's dive right in and see if this is the drone for you. Don't worry, the actual box is here. I wouldn't do that to you. Oh, maybe I would. Here we go. No, okay, no more. Let's dive right in and see if this is the drone for you. Today, of course, we are unboxing the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus. It's quite a mouthful, but let's dive right in and see what comes in this cool kit here. Of course, when we open up, the first thing we see is the shoulder bag. Now, this is fantastic. This will store all your bits and pieces, including everything we're about to talk about now. Firstly, let's have a look at the remote controller. We've got the DJI RC2. This has the new OcuSync 4 system, or O4 system, giving you up to 20 kilometers distance from the remote controller to the drone, which is absolutely incredible. If we pull the drone out, we will see this drone has a gimbal cover on it. And of course, we have a propeller holder now as well to keep your propellers tucked in and away so you can take it in and out of the bag very, very easily. We've got our multi-charging hub here with the 3 batteries. You can also use this as a power bank to charge something else off of the battery cells in the batteries, which is awesome. If we dive in here, we've got this little zip here. This is where we will find all of our charging cables and our propellers, our instruction manuals. We've also got 2 cables here. We've got a Type C to C for data transfer, as well as a Type A to C for charging off of the bank as well. We've got our little propeller screwdriver just there, and of course our spare propellers. And it all fits neat and tidy in that lovely shoulder bag, which I mentioned before. So that's it, guys. That's everything that we get in the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus. Let's talk about some specs. When we look at the overall design of the new DJI Mini 4 Pro, we notice that it is remarkably similar to the DJI Mini 3 series. Now, a couple of noticeable differences are, of course, the new landing gear extensions on the front of the front arms and the new omnidirectional binocular vision system instead of the straight backward sensors on the Mini 3. We'll talk about those specs a little bit later in a bit more detail, but those are the main differences that we notice when we first look at the new design of the Mini 4 Pro. The camera has a 1/1.3 inch CMOS sensor, which allows you 4K HDR footage up to 60 FPS. There's also the new night shots mode with improved ISO capability, allowing for even greater results in lower light conditions. The Mini 4 Pro also allows for 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG shooting modes, which gives you even more flexibility in post-production editing. The best part? Just like the Mini 3 Pro, you do not have to compromise when shooting vertically. Just use the true vertical shooting, which was the marquee feature of the Mini 3 Pro series, to effortlessly switch between your horizontal and vertical framing. Probably the biggest improvement from the Mini 3 Pro is the new omnidirectional binocular vision system. This is made up of 4 fisheye obstacle avoidance lenses on the top of the drone, as well as 2 obstacle avoidance sensors below. This system intelligently avoids obstacles in all directions, and it even improves the safety in features like Focus Track. With the new obstacle avoidance system, does this impact flight time? Well, you'll be glad to know that the new Mini 4 Pro still nets a fantastic 34 minutes flight time with the standard battery, and just like the Mini 3 Pro, you can extend your flight time with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus to a maximum of 45 minutes flight time. A couple of software improvements that the Mini 4 Pro has are the waypoints and cruise control features, which take the busy work out of flying, allowing you to focus on getting the absolute perfect shot. The Mini 4 Pro also sees the return of all your favorite intelligent features. You can track subjects with Focus Track, Point of Interest and Spotlight, take the guesswork out of shooting with Master Shots and Quick Shots, or capture great still photos with the Panorama feature. The big new feature, of course, Active Track 360. The next evolution in DJI's acclaimed Follow Me mode, Active Track 360 supports subject tracking and pathfinding simultaneously for fantastic results. The DJI Mini 4 Pro can be flown with 2 controllers. You have the DJI RCN2, which is this controller here, which of course has a bracket for you to plug your smartphone in, and it comes with the various plugs to plug in that smartphone. Or you can fly it with the DJI RC2, which is DJI's premium controller with the screen inbuilt into the controller, making setup time even easier. This controller also has a 700 nit screen, making it very, very bright. Even on your sunny days, you can still see exactly what you're doing. The Mini 4 Pro uses the same transmission system as its big brother, the DJI Air 3. The O4 system will give you up to 20 kilometers distance from the drone to the remote controller, which means you'll have a very stable flight even in conditions with lots of interference. The DJI Mini 4 Pro can be purchased in 4 different packages. You can buy just the standalone drone with a single controller, be that the DJI RCN2 or the DJI RC2 controller, or you can buy it in the Fly More combo like the one we unboxed today. The Fly More combo, of course, comes with the additional flight batteries, multi-charging hub, and the shoulder bag and other bits and bobs. Please note all Fly More combos do come with the new DJI RC2 controller, which is the in-screen controller. The Fly More combos can be the Plus Edition batteries or the Standard Edition batteries, depending what's more important to your flying experience. Well, that is our first look at the new DJI Mini 4 Pro. You can purchase these in-store or online, and if you do happen to get your hands on one of these amazing new drones, please be sure to tag us at DJI Store AU. We would love to see the content you are capturing. Be sure to subscribe for more DJI content, and we'll see you at the next unboxing video.